Learn English tenses with daily used verbs. I said. I say. I will say. He said. He says. He will say. She said. She says. She will say. We said. We say. We will say. You said. You say. You will say. They said. They say. They will say. I told. I tell. I will tell. He told. He tells. He will tell. She told. She tells. She will tell. We told. We tell. We will tell. You told. You tell. You will tell. They told. They tell. They will tell. I made. I make. I will make. He made. He makes. He will make. She made. She makes. She will make. We made. We make. We will make. You made. You make. You will make. They made. They make. They will make. I got. I get. I will get. He got. He gets. He will get. She got. She gets. She will get. We got. We get. We will get. You got. You get. You will get. They got. They get. They will get. I found. I find. I will find. He found. He finds. He will find. She found. She finds. She will find. We found. We find. We will find. You found. You find. You will find. They found. They find. They will find. I climbed. I climb. I will climb. He climbed. He climbs. He will climb. She climbed. She climbs. She will climb. We climbed. We climb. We will climb. You climbed. You climb. You will climb. They climbed. They climb. They will climb. I explained. I explain. I will explain. He explained. He explains. He will explain. She explained. She explains. She will explain. We explained. We explain. We will explain. You explained. You explain. You will explain. They explained. They explain. They will explain. I wrote. I write. I will write. He wrote. He writes. He will write. She wrote. She writes. She will write. We wrote. We write. We will write. You wrote. You write. You will write. They wrote. They write. They will write. I ran. I run. I will run. He ran. He runs. He will run. She ran. She runs. She will run. We ran. We run. We will run. You ran. You run. You will run. They ran. They run. They will run. I swam. I swim. I will swim. He swam. He swims. He will swim. She swam. She swims. She will swim. We swam. We swim. We will swim. You swam. You swim. You will swim. They swam. They swim. They will swim.